Hello. If you've been wondering where I've been the past few days, I've been practicing photography and video. I went with a friend the other day to Kingswood in Ohio. It's a big park area that has all kinds of flowers, statues, some buildings, trees, some small ponds, ducks, and even a peacock. I took my 3 lenses with me and my DSLR, my filters for the end of the lens, and I went out and took some photos. I took some macro, and I used my zoom lens to get some close-ups as well. I got some close-up shots of a few statues and some flowers. The complicated part about the camera is trying to learn about the aperture, the ISO, and the shutter speed, and how they all correlate and affect each other. Such as, for example, if you raise the ISO, you're going to get a lot of grain in the picture or the video. If your aperture is too high or too low, then it can cause the video or the photo to be too bright or too dark. And then there's also exposure. Too high of exposure, you're letting too much light in. Too low of exposure, you're not getting enough light, and you won't see anything. And one thing I've figured out is, it's better to have a video or a photo, especially photos, it's better to have them underexposed slightly than to have them overexposed, because it's more difficult in post-processing to take a video or a photo that's too bright and try to darken it. It's better to brighten it up some, fix contrast and the colors. I'm having fun doing this, and photography is a type of art, and I'm doing my best to get better at it. And in the future, I'll make some videos covering some of the photos I've taken and some of the videos. But for now, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good day.